NetAngel. Prevention, education, protection. Our videos are designed for parents, by parents. In this video we are going to show you how to set up parental controls on Instagram. Instagram Supervision is a tool that allows you to manage your family's activities, supporting teenagers between the ages of 13 to 17. Before we begin, you will need to install Instagram on both parent and teen smart devices. Once installed, open the Instagram app and follow the step-by-step guide on how to set up parental controls. First, select the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Select the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Settings. Now select Supervision. Select Next to continue. Now select Add Account, then select Continue. Now choose the method of how you want to send the invite. In this scenario, we are going to choose Use a QR code. Select Next to continue. You will now be presented with a QR code. Scan the QR code on your teen's smart device. Tap on the screen to go to the familycenter.instagram.com. Now select Next. Now select Allow. They will receive a message that their parent or guardian now supervises their account. On your device select Done. Now select Supervision. Now select your child's account. You can now set agreed time limits and privacy settings as well as monitor their activity on Instagram. With Supervision, you can see how much time they spend on Instagram and set time limits. See some of their settings and accounts they follow, that follow them, as well as accounts that they have blocked. Get notifications about their activity, such as when they get new followers. There are some limitations, such as you won't see their search history and messaging activity. You won't see what they post unless you have a public account or they follow you. You won't be able to do things such as delete their account, reset their password or post on their behalf. To recap, your teens have to be between the ages of 13 and 17 for supervision to work. Instagram Supervision lets parents and guardians help and support their teens. We would recommend having a conversation with your teen, so you can both agree on suitable rules and privacy settings. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share our videos.